Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you how easy it is to make a GIF of yourself that you can put in your Canvas classroom or share with your students in ways that you share. So first thing you need to do is record a little video of yourself, doing some hand motions like you can see I'm doing in some of these GIFs. Then you're going to go to GIPHY.com and you're going to make an account. So this is a personal account. Only you are going to do this. You're not going to have your students do this. So you can use your personal email is what I would recommend. So I am going to click Create at the top once I've logged in. And now I'm going to upload my video. So you see you can make a GIF, you can make a sticker, you can make a backdrop. But I'm going to do a GIF. So I'm going to click on GIF. I'm going to find that little video of myself that I want to use. Let's see. I have a few, so let's see. So I'm uploading the clip. It's just going to take a second. But this can be a really fun thing to, put in your emails to students, like especially when they're asking questions or they have late work. It could be like, hey, I'll get to it when I get to it. It could be your GIF response. All right, so I've uploaded it, and it does this automatically, the duration and start time. I've never altered those, so I just click continue to decorate. And then you can add some words. So you can say louder. You can change those words up, or you can make them wavy, all types of options. Alternately, you can add a sticker as well. So maybe I want to do this. Maybe actually I just like that sticker overall and I don't need words. So I'm just going to actually do this. All right. And once I can also put filters on it, and I can actually also draw on it if I want to. I'm happy with how this looks, so I'm going to say continue to upload. I'm going to give it some tags just if I want to find it later. All right, and I'm going to say upload. It's going to take a moment to upload, and then it will be on GIPHY. And what I recommend doing, and I'll show you in just a second, is you're going to save the GIF to your computer and then be able to put it in your Canvas classroom. So let's see. This part always takes just a second. And depending on your computer, it could take a little longer, your processing speed. So if it takes longer than what is showing here, that's completely okay. This might be something, you want to let run, go get your coffee and come back and it will be done. But this is a really great way to personalize those correspondences you have with students or use them in your teacher social media. Still working. All right, we're almost done. All right, so now it's here. I'm just going to right-click on it and say Save Image As, and I'm going to save it to my computer. I'm going to give it a name. That way I can easily find it and say Save. And now this is going to be a GIF that I can insert onto my Canvas page or put into an email.